Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday at 4, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And if y'all want to see what your girl got for Mother's Day over here in this little corner right here, then stay tuned and keep watching. I'm gonna start off with the stuff that my daughter got me. She got me a card and she got me these goodies here in this bag, and I just thought it was really cute. Me this cute little teddy bear. I don't know what I'm gonna name her, but yeah, I got this cute teddy bear. She also got me a pack of coconut and rose oil facial wipes. She know I wear makeup, so she got me these pack of wipes, and they really smell good. Like, they smell really good. So yeah, she got me those. Last but not least, I don't eat candy a lot, but since she got me some Kit Kats, I'll just snack on these every so often. But yeah, that's what my daughter got me for Mother's Day. What else? Oh, and my son got me this, and this came from Sephora. It's only one thing. It is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's in the color Hint Hint, and this is her new lip balm, and it's what I'm wearing right now. I was thinking of doing a comparison between the Fenty Beauty lip balm and the Laneige, so I'm really thinking about doing that comparison video. Not that it's probably going to be a big comparison because they both lip glosses. I mean, like a lip balm, but I'm thinking about doing it, you guys. But yeah, I got the Fenty Beauty new lip balm, and so far so good, and it has a really nice smell. So here in this big old box, I got me, I didn't even get a chance to open it, and this came from Bloomingdale's. Okay, so here's the box. They are a pair of Uggs shoes. Well, not shoes, they more, I'll show you. Wow, look you guys, I got these Ugg slippers. They're cute. I got a size 7, so I'm going to see how they work. They feel a little tight, but I did read that they do stretch. So I'm super excited to have these. I know it's about to be summertime, but you know, when it converts over to that cool weather, I'll have me some cute shoes. And then it also has this thick sole on the bottom, so I'm sure I can wear these outside. So I am so excited for my new first and ever Ugg slippers. And moving on to the last item, you guys. I went to the Coach outlet. You know, I had to find some type of store that I'm loving just as much as Henry Bendel, because when Henry Bendel closing, I was like, okay, what type of stores would I be able to shop at to get nice, you know, bags for affordable prices? Because, you know, I can't always go and purchase a luxury handbag, you know, every time I want a new handbag. So I found something really cute at the Coach outlet, and I'm going to start off with the smaller item first. And if you follow me on social media, you would have already saw this. And I got this. This is the leather cleaner. I got it because they had a sale going on. If you spend $150 or more, you would get an extra 15% off. The stuff here didn't come over $150, so with me adding this leather cleaner to the total, it took the price over $150, so I was able to save that extra 15% off, because in my opinion it was worth me adding this on, because it actually took it off. So technically I got it for free. So I'm gonna use this to clean my leather bags and probably like some leather shoes or whatever. So yeah, I got that. Your girl got this cute wallet. Got the wallet because it matches the bag. And sometimes I'm matchy, not all the time, but sometimes I like to match, especially when I see it available. So when I saw that it was available, I'm like, okay, yeah, we got to get it. So you have your money slot here, And then you have 6 card slots here. You have some pockets here. And then you have your coin section here in the back. How much was this retail? Oh, this doesn't have the actual price on here. But you know, anything at the outlets, it was way cheaper than store. The actual store purchase. Oh, you guys, I got the cute backpack. I'm so excited because when I first saw it, when I showed y'all the pictures online, I left it at the store. And anytime I come home and think about it, dream about it, and keep, you know, it kept being on my mind, I was like, okay, I'm going to get this. And then since Mother's Day was coming around the corner, I said, okay, that can be one of my Mother's Day gifts. So yeah, this is what I got for Mother's Day. And it has the matching wallet, your zipper here in the front. And it has this little handle here. It has your gold zipper here. So of course I will be doing a what fits in here and how it looks on the body. It do come with a strap, which is right here. So like I said, I will be doing a video on what can fit, because as you can see, it's a lot smaller than my other Coach backpack. So I can't wait to see what actually fits in here and how it looks on the body. It's the backpack, and like I said, I am super excited. I can't wait to go ahead and play with it and put it on and everything like that. And look out for a review on the backpack, because y'all know how I do my videos. I do the unboxing first, and then my next video will be me putting everything in here and trying everything on. And I will also include the wallet so y'all can see how the wallet looks filled with cards, cash, coins, and everything like that. Because here, you know, when I put the coins, we're going to see if the coins make the wallet bulky or whatever the case is. Like, I am super excited, you guys. I am in love with my bag. And you can also wear it like this. This bag here in the at the outlets was $397.99, but of course I didn't pay that. Let me see, I had a receipt. Okay, so the backpack was, let me see, pack was $398, and with the sale and the extra 15% off and the 75% off, it came down to $84.57, and the wallet was $178, and with the 75 or whatever percentage off, it ended up coming to $41.65. And then the leather cleaner with the discount, it came up to $510. So the total was, it was $140.51. And like I said, I got this at the Tanger outlet. So this is why I do not like paying full price for anything, because if you wait patiently, it will eventually go on sale. I am so glad I got this baby here. It is just so cute, you guys. I cannot wait again to put my stuff in here and see how it works. So I just wanted to share that really quick, what I got for Mother's Day type of haul. I just wanted to share really quick what I got, because I got a new bag and I wanted to share with you guys, because y'all know how I do when I get new purses and bags and backpacks or whatever I get new. I like to share with you guys, because I like sharing good deals just in case you are in the market for a new bag. They had other stuff on sale as well, like pocketbooks, coat, shoes, wallets. They just had a lot of stuff on sale. So y'all know how I get. Like when Henry Bender was around, I was like always on their website, you know, finding stuff, looking for stuff. So if you like these types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And before I go, I know I am super late, but happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.